Is your EETV box flashing and you're not sure why? Understanding what those LED indicators mean is crucial for diagnosing any issues with your device. Your EETV box has two main LED indicators that communicate its status. The power LED shows the device's operational state, while the network LED indicates connectivity status. Let's start with the power LED. This indicator has several different states, each telling you something specific about your TV box's condition. Solid blue means normal operation, box is on and working properly. Solid red means standby mode, box is off but connected to power. Flashing blue means starting up or processing a command. Flashing red means error state or system malfunction. Flashing orange means software update or network connectivity issues. If there's no light at all, this could indicate no power supply or a hardware failure. Now let's look at the network LED, which shows your TV box's internet connectivity status. Solid green indicates strong internet connection established. Flashing green indicates attempting to connect to network. Solid orange indicates limited connectivity or slow connection. Flashing red indicates no network connection detected. Understanding these LED indicators is the first step to diagnosing any issues with your EETV box. These visual cues help you quickly identify whether the problem is related to power, network connectivity, or system errors. Now that you know what each LED pattern means, you'll be better equipped to understand what your EETV box is trying to tell you when issues arise. Now that you understand what the LED indicators mean, let's walk through the step-by-step troubleshooting methods to fix your flashing EETV box. The first and most effective solution is a basic power reset. This simple procedure resolves about 78% of flashing LED issues. If the basic reset doesn't work and you suspect network connectivity issues, try resetting your network settings. This resolves connection-related flashing problems. For more persistent issues, a factory reset may be necessary. Warning, this will erase all your personalized settings and downloaded apps, so use this as a last resort. For advanced users dealing with software corruption, firmware recovery mode can reinstall the system software. This is a more technical solution that takes 15 to 30 minutes to complete. If firmware recovery seems too complex, try forcing a manual software update through the settings menu. This can resolve many software-related flashing issues. If none of these methods resolve the flashing LED issue, or if you see multiple LED colors flashing simultaneously, it's time to contact EE Technical Support. They can provide remote diagnostics or arrange a replacement if needed.